Once you have finished creating your virtual machine, click on Edit Virtual Machine, and then the next thing to do is to go to the CD-ROM and use an ISO image here and browse to the location of your of the file that we generated, our media that we generated before. Browse to the location. In my case, this is the name that we give it, Windows 10 Light Touch Media. I'll select that. I'll click OK. Right. Once I click OK, and I will just power on this virtual machine. And you start, in my case, you start pressing F2 to select a boot order, a boot device. I want to boot into a CD-ROM drive, so I will select EFI Virtual CD-ROM, and I will press Enter, and then I'll press any keys. Now you can see that Windows is trying to load all our files. Immediately when you power on the virtual machine and you press F2 to select a boot device, and you've already selected the CD-ROM drive to boot from, Windows will continue to deploy the Windows 10 that we made before using the MDT. And as you can see, it's processing the bootstrap settings, the bootstrap.ini custom settings that we placed. And now it found our script. All right, we're gonna name the machine. I'll give it DEV-300. I don't want to join the domain yet. If I want, I can join, but not now. I want to make it a part of work group. I will click next. I don't want to move any data or settings. I will just leave it at default. Do not move user data and settings, and I will go next. Okay, I don't want to restore any data as well. I'll just accept the default, and I'll click next. My location is US, and I would select the time. In my time zone, I select Mountain Time, and I'll go next. I don't want to capture image either, so I'll just click next. And finally, you can see the task sequences is now beginning to copy all the files, and our installation has now started from the boot image that we generated from MDT. It's running action, and it is installing our operating system, Windows 10 now. It's applying the image and all the custom settings that we specify during the creation of our media within MDT. So this is going to run for a while. I'm going to pause the video right here, and when the installation is almost finished, I will be back so that we can see the end process. See, Windows 10 is now fully installed, and our task sequence is just running the last bit of installation over here. And so yeah, this is how to use Microsoft Deployment Toolkit to generate a media, an installation media that you can take around in your USB or in your external hard drive. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Ask any question. If you run into any issue, let me also know, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.